everyone, welcome to Prom Strings. I'm Henriette and today we're playing the Yodeling Song. The Yodeling Song is written in the key of C major, so let's play the C major scale first of all. And as usual we'll be playing the scale every note twice with long bows. And today we're really working on the straight bowing, so I want you to push your bow arm forwards as much as you can so your bow gets really straight along the bridge. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Let's play the C arpeggio as well, and the letter names of the notes are C, E, G, C. We're playing every note once with the long bow, and then we'll play the whole arpeggio over again at the end. Ready? And... well done. I'll play the yodeling song for you now. Join me playing it together. Here we go. 1 and 2 and... So at the start of this piece you see the letter F, and F stands for forte. Forte means loud, and I want you to play as loud as you possibly can by using long bows for the first 4 bars. So let's practice the first 4 bars, shall we? And you use the whole bow if you possibly can. So we're starting right at the heel. Ready? 1 and... much louder than before. Now, when we get to here, bar 5 in the music, you see the letters MF, and they mean mezzo forte, medium loud. So now we're going to shorten our bows a little bit. Okay, so let's start at bar 5. So we're not quite starting at the heel of the bow now. We're going to go a little bit nearer the middle. Shorten your bows a little bit. And now we've reached the point of the bow, and that is handy because now it says in our music mezzo piano, which means medium quiet. Music is generally more quiet when you play at the upper half of the bow. So we've ended here and we're going to continue from the point now. Here we go, softer still. Very sweet. You know, these performance markings like the louds and softs that are in your music, they're always relative to one another. So your mezzo piano can be really quite soft here because it acts as a contrast to what has gone before. So let's play this mezzo piano section once more, shall we? And this time I want you to make the minims really nice and long and connect every note up so that all your notes are very smooth. So we're starting at the point of the bow again on those 2 A's, and that is bar 6, 7, 8, 9. Bar 9, 1, and long bow now. All the way to the point. Connect all your notes. Wow, that was really nice and smooth. And now we're going back to slightly louder playing. Mezzo forte. Now make your bows even longer and gradually go louder and louder. And you see those accents here at the end. You can really push the bow a little bit more. Well done, that was lovely playing. Let's go a tiny bit faster now, and we're going all the way through from the beginning to the end, and we're going to add those dynamics still. Are you ready? 1 and 2 and... You've had really good practice today. Super. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. And any questions that you may have, please write them in the comment section below. I will get back to you, I promise. Goodbye.